to you all to the second lectures of supply chain management. In today's lecture, we will be discussing about the stages or the phases involved in supply chain management totally in detail. So, supply chain management. Simply, supply chain management is the management of a flow of goods and services, and it includes all the process that transfer raw material into the final product. It involves the active streamlining of the business supply side activity to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Supply chain always focus on the satisfactions or needs of the customer. It gives a value to a customer. The main aim of a supply chain management is to satisfy the customer need and to capture more and more shares in the marketplace. In today's world, customer is regarded as a king in the marketplace. The reason supply chain management focus to draw the customer attention and to satisfy them. Supply chain management is the process used by a company to ensure that their supply chain is efficient and cost effective. Supply chain management involves a series of activities that must be performed in a sequence. Thus, the phases or stages involved in supply chain management include plan, develop, make, deliver, and return. So, the first stage in supply chain management is known as plan. A plan or strategy must be developed to address how a given goods or services will meet the needs of the customer. A significant portion of the strategy should focus on planning a profile supply chain. Similarly, another phase or stage after plan here we have is develop. Develop is the next stage in supply chain management. It involves building a strong relationship with suppliers of raw materials needed in making the product of the company to be delivered. This phase involves not only identifying good suppliers but also planning methods for shipping, delivery, and payment. After the develop, the next step here we have is make. At the third step, the product is manufactured, tested, packaged, and scheduled for delivery. This is the manufacturing step. The supply chain manager schedules the activities necessary for productions, testing, packaging, and preparing for delivery. Similarly, the another stage or phases of supply chain management here we have is deliver. Consumer order are received and delivery of a good is planned. During this step, the fourth step of a supply chain management is named as deliver. This is the part that many supply chain management insider refers to as logistic, where company coordinate the receipt of order from customer, develop a network of warehouse, pick carries to get product to the customer. Similarly, the last phase or stage of supply chain management here we have is return. As the name suggested, during this stage, customer may return defective product to the company. Company will also address the customer questions in this stage. This can be a problematic part of the supply chain for many companies. Supply chain planners have to create a responsive and flexible network for receiving defective and excess product back from their customer and supporting customer who have problem with their product. Yeah, I just hope you all understand the stage in supply chain management. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.